guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the SACAI FRAGMENT Nike LD Waffle. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank you guys for watching and subscribing. All our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this. So thank you. Keep subscribing if you're new to the channel and you like what you're seeing. So all that, yeah, let's just go. I'm really excited. I'm just waffling on. Get that, Joe? It's waffling on. So we got to look at the Nike LD Waffle SF, which stands for SACAI Fragment. And we got this in a blue void colorway, white obsidian white. And we got it in the UK size 7.5. It's a US 8.5 and it's a European 42. And it comes in the precious slidey box that Nike have, and like all of the Nike SACAIs, comes with that Nike SACAI wrapping paper. And listen, as someone who's a huge fan of Japanese design, this is just amazing. It's sneaker of the year in my opinion, guys. Like, I'm putting it out there. For me, this is 2021's sneaker of the year. Even though the original LD Waffle got sneaker of the year in 2019, listen, SACAI have done it again with Nike, this time with Hiroshi Fujiwara's touch. So for those that don't know, little story time now. This is the first rendition, first entry in SACAI's collaboration with 3 other Asian designers. So the first one being Fragment, which we have in our hands here. Obviously, we've got this in the blue void colorway. There's a grey colorway that this comes in as well, but I'm fortunate enough to get this midnight blue void colorway. The second release is the SACAI Clot with Edison Chen, and the third is with Undercover, so that's got Jun Takahashi. And yo, every single drop, essentially it's the same LD Waffle SACAI sneaker, but it's different colorways, and you can tell by looking at it, it's got all their DNA, if that makes any sense. So let's start with the outsole of these beautiful sneakers. So you've got the Waffle outsole, hence the name LD Waffle. For those that don't know, the LD Waffle is an amalgamation between 2 sneakers that Nike were famous for, that being the Waffle Racer and the Nike LTV. So you can see the LDV with the elongated midsole here, that the Nike, forgive me if I keep saying Nakai when I really mean Nike SACAI, you know what I'm trying to say. But this is what the Nike SACAIs are famous for, the extended midsole here. And you can tell Hiroshi Fujiwara's had his little imprints here by the little writings that he usually does on his sneakers. They've got the writing on the midsole. So here you can see on the lateral side, it's got the classic Fragment SACAI. And listen, these sneakers are a classic. Looking at the medial side, you've got the SKU number. As always, a lot of Fragment collaborations, they have the SKU numbers imprinted on the midsole. We move along onto the upper, and you can just tell by the color alone that this is Hiroshi Fujiwara, because it's in this beautiful blue, this blue void colorway, and you can see it here with every single detail. The mesh, the mudguard here is in this beautiful suede. The lace paneling is in the same suede as well. Double the laces. Now it would have been better, I think, in my opinion, if Nike did one white and the other blue, but I think you can do that yourselves. But the bad thing is that this is a hassle to untie and then, measure it together and then lace them all together. So I think I'm just going to leave it personally, but that's just me. But if you want to, experiment, try it with the white laces. As always, with a lot of the Nike SACAI waffles, they got double the tongues as well. So you can see here the Nike Sportswear tag in the front, and just behind it you got the Fragment logo. on the medial and the lateral side, like all LDV waffles by Nike SACAI. Double the swoosh, double the fun. And if you look at the back here, so at the heel counter, you can't really see it, but there is 2 suede panelings, and just above it with that level paneling, you got the Nike SACAI logo. And on the inside here, you can see the Nike SACAI on the insole. Now, what differentiates this other than the colorway is the mesh that's underneath. It's more solid, whereas the previous incarnations of the Nike SACAI LDV waffles, the mesh is quite see-through. Where you'd like to show off your socks, you can't really show off your socks here, which is a shame. It's a nice touch that kind of associate yourselves with the Nike LDV waffle SACAIs. But even with the solid blocking colorway here, I think it's just a nice touch. That rounds off my review, guys. I started this by saying this is the sneaker of the year for me. I'm going to end it by saying again, this is the sneaker of the year for me. Obviously, I've got a bias because to me, Hiroshi Fujiwara and Shito Abe, they're probably the best designers in the whole wide world. And for them to come together, I mean, this sneaker alone is 2 sneakers coming together. But the fact that SACAI, a powerhouse in the Japanese fashion, luxury fashion, and Fragment, you know, Fragment is one of Japanese streetwear, like the giants of Japanese streetwear. Them to come together and produce this beautiful sneaker, I'm just happy I was able to get a pair for myself. So you're going to see me gleam if you see me wear these. So I'll roll that footage of me trying these bad boys on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a 7.5 and everything is snug and brilliant. My toes are where they need to be. And yeah, I mean, I just want to show these off. So here, look at that. It would have been better if they were able to put like the fragment, just put the little logo here on the side, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. You've got the fragment here on the tongue anyway. So yeah. Sneak of the year for me, guys. Sneak of the year. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.